Failed to initialize error. Step-by-step fix. 1. Run as administrator. Right-click on Path of Exile 2.exe or launcher. Select Run as administrator. This prevents permission issues that block initialization. Verify game files. If using Steam, go to Library, right-click on Path of Exile 2, Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity. If using standalone client, run the GGG Launcher Repair tool. This replaces missing corrupted files causing the error. 3. Update DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables. Download and install the latest DirectX runtime from Microsoft. Install Repair Visual C++ 2015 and 2022 redistributables. Many players report the game won't initialize if these are outdated. 4. Update GPU drivers. NVIDIA, GeForce Experience, please open your app to see this link. AMD, Adrenalin Software, please open your app to see this link. Intel Arc, Intel Driver and Support Assistant, please open your app to see this link. Outdated drivers often trigger failed to initialize. 5. Clear shader and cache files. Navigate to Documents, My Games, Path of Exile 2. Delete folders. Cache, shader cache, restart the game to rebuild clean files. 6. Disable overlays and background apps. Disable Steam overlay, Discord overlay, MSI Afterburner, Riva Tuner, etc. These can interfere with the game's initialization. 7. Set compatibility mode. Right-click Path of Exile 2.exe, Properties, Compatibility. Check Run in Compatibility Mode, Windows 8, 10. Check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. 8. Reinstall in a clean folder. Uninstall the game completely. Delete leftover files from Documents, My Games, Path of Exile 2, Installation folder. Reinstall to a different drive if possible. Hash. Extra advanced fix. If the issue persists, add this launch option in Steam Properties, Launch Options. You can see the code in our conversation history. This forces the game to skip async loading that sometimes causes failed initialization. This should fix the failed to initialize error in Path of Exile 2.